Doing my spring service on some of these airplanes. Like this Mariner's been sitting around for about 3 years anyway. The engine got stiff, not because it's seizing, but because the oil, the castor oil in the fuel gets very gummy, and the carburetor gummed up big time. Couldn't budge it. So got it all apart. What I did last night, didn't expect it to work on that stuff. You can see how everything's breaking down in there, that brown shit. Well, that's the old fuel that kind of baked on in there. It just dries up and gets hard, really gummy. Now the inside rim here is clean. Decided to try it because the lubricants for the most part here are natural castor oil. So I saw what the hell, I'll give it a shot of that and let it sit overnight. Muckled on to the post here, that's where your throttle arm hooks up there. Give her a couple of twists and off she came. Well, and it just breaks it down just like that. Yep. That stuff just amazes the hell out of me. An old 049 kicking around. I can't remember where I put it now, but I dosed it with that stuff. It's still a bit stiff, but it turns now, which it didn't do before. But that's pretty amazing. Yep, gotta get that together too. Yep, this Ballistol worked. It's worked incredibly well. Very impressive. Just a million uses for this stuff.